everyone, and welcome back. It's James. I'm back with some more material. I'm going to share with you some expressions. I'll go over these cards. The first one I have is good morning. Thank you. You're welcome. Clean up. Wait. Let's play. Rock, paper, scissors. I win. I lose. Good night. And good morning again. So I recommend getting these kind of expression cards. If you text me, I'll let you know where I got these cards. Do these cards for every lesson, whether you're doing it for little babies or for older elementary school kids. Do this every week for a month. Now, if you're doing this for little kids who can't really speak, don't worry about it. They're trying to absorb it. But if you want to know how to say it in Japanese, well, let me tell you. So, good morning is Ohayou gozaimasu. Okay, and thank you is arigato. You don't even need to translate that. They understand thank you. This one you might need to translate. You're welcome is dou itashimashite. Clean up is katazukete. Wait is matte. Let's play is asobo. Rock, paper, scissors is janken pan. I win is katta. I lose is makita. Good night is oyasumi nasai. And again, good morning. So that's it for this video lesson. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.